The State Attorney General and DGS Secretary support the bill. They argue the focus should be on rehabilitation, not punishment. Opponents, such as state's attorneys and police, consider the bill idealistic, unrealistic, and a potential threat to public safety. Many believe juvenile justice in Maryland is at a crossroads between idealism and public safety. The Youth Charging Reform Act aims to keep more young people accused of serious crimes in the juvenile system, rather than automatically charge them as an adult.
Instead, you're going to have a judge review and evaluate the facts of the case on an individual basis and make a determination as to the right trajectory for that case.
The bill repeals 11 of the 33 crimes that automatically send juveniles into the adult system. A child previously convicted of a felony charged as an adult is not eligible.
At its core, this bill is about public safety and fairness and making decisions at the right time, by the right people, using the right information. Youth can wait around 150 days for their transfer hearing and sometimes up to 2 years.
Testifying before the committee Wednesday, State Attorney General Anthony Brown reported Maryland sends more black children into the adult system than 49 other states. He supports the legislation for its value of rehabilitation.
We support this bill, prioritizing rehabilitation over punishment and providing children with appropriate opportunities for treatment and reform is the right approach for Maryland.
Opponents include the state's attorneys and police chiefs associations. They repeated some of the findings from a recent audit of juvenile services.
The Department of Juvenile Services fails to value the youth they serve, fails to value the delivery of meaningful services and support, fails to demonstrate responsibility for youth in their care, and fails to engage in interagency coordination. DJS is unable to meet the needs of the youth currently under their supervision. The agency is unable to support the idealism behind this bill.
A separate bill under consideration would bar children from being held at adult facilities, and if no juvenile facilities were available, it would require no child be held within sight or sound of a jailed adult. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.